Alrighty, guys, check it out. So Palantir stock went up around 10 cents. Well, I guess exactly 10 cents on the day. Not the best day, not the craziest day, but we did go up 0.6% on the day, and we closed in the mid to high 16s. And actually, earlier in the day, guys, in the pre-market, Palantir stock was up almost to 17 bucks per share. Yeah, we actually took the highs out from yesterday. So let's do a quick breakdown on Palantir, and we'll talk about some other stocks later in the video. But before we do that, guys, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Up to 16 stocks, each up to 2,000 bucks. Use that link down below. Open up your account, fund it with at least 100 bucks. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund your account at least 1,000 bucks. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys, fund your account at least $5,000. And mind you, for this part of the promo, there's only 4 more days to do this. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. And guys, this promo is by far the best one out right now, so take advantage. Use that link down below, and of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So like I said, today wasn't the most eventful day for Palantir in terms of its closing price, up 10 cents, up 0.6. It's like another day on the block here for Palantir stock. A pretty boring day at that. I mean, usually we have a little more action, but intraday you look at it and you're like, wait a second, there actually was some action. It was pretty volatile throughout the day. Again, in the pre-market, when we got the CPI data, everything went crazy. You guys probably saw that this morning, right? We had triple Q in the pre-market shoot all the way up. I mean, look at this. It got up to about 372. Then we exploded at open all the way to 374. SPY on the day, in the pre-market shot all the way up to 446. And mind you, SPY closed yesterday at 442. So we had a big move there. Then it opened. Then it ran up even more. So there was a lot of green, a lot of volume, a lot of buying out there today. And Palantir saw some of that in the pre-market. And then it just got destroyed in the middle of the day pretty much at about 11:20 a.m. It went down, started going down from around 1690, where if I zoom in a bit, what is this, guys? This essentially is a head and shoulders, or you could also say, not really a head and shoulders. I would say more it's a triple top, right? So we triple topped on Palantir, in the beginning of the day, the first half of the day, I would say, and that's where we saw the big dump down to 1640, and look at where we held on that pullback. If I zoom in here on Palantir, you guys can see we actually held a higher low, compared to yesterday, which is really good, guys, really good. Look at this. If I get the oval tool out, boom, we held a higher low there, held another one at about 3:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and yesterday we held one right here. You guys see that at about 225, and in the morning yesterday we held it as well. So this is looking pretty good, over the past 2 days. And of course, if we look at it even before that, we've been slowly reversing to the upside on Palantir. I mean, guys, for Pete's sake, the stock was at 1460 last Tuesday? I mean, recently, or last Thursday. What day was that? The 6th of July. Yeah, whatever. And now we're at 1660. So we're slowly crawling our way out of this hole. More than just slowly. I mean, geez, that's $2 in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days. That's a big move. We're talking about 13%. So this thing is really starting to get some momentum again on the 5-day. Clearly, the bulls are winning. On the 10-day as well, the bulls are winning, obviously. And on the 20-day, now we're starting to really push up to 1705, which is right by the high, or that is the high. I mean, that is the high from the middle of June. You guys see that, right? So we need to break that. I mean, I've been saying that on these Palantir videos. We need to break 17, and at that point, in my humble opinion, this could be shooting towards 20 bucks. And of course, will it happen? Nobody knows, guys. Nothing's guaranteed. Like I say on this channel all the time, if somebody out there that has a stock market channel is like, this is guaranteed to happen, it's for sure going to happen, run the other way. Literally turn around and run the other direction. I'm not going to tell you anything's going to happen on this channel. Nothing's guaranteed, but momentum based on previous price action, we could pull the 3-year up. We can see there's a lot of price action above 20 bucks. I mean, if you guys take a look here and I zoom in, or even near 20 bucks, we were chopping around the 2025 area back here in the end of 2020 into 2021, early 2022 even. That's when we started to dump off. So I think momentum will take us to 20 bucks. If we do break above, let's say 17.50, 18, maybe leading into earnings, maybe after earnings, and then that's where Palantir is really going to see a tough spot, technically speaking, unless they just completely blow earnings out of the park next quarter and the stock goes up like 50% or something. But I don't know if that's even possible. Even then, it won't be above. Actually, no, then it would be above 20. Either way, guys, I think we could break to 20 bucks, but that's going to be a big resistance considering that held as support all throughout the end of 2020 into the end of 2021. So that's going to be a big spot. And if it does break 20 ultimately, that would be unbelievable for the bull. So let me actually set my alert at 20. Why not? Mark is at or above. And I want to put one directly above the $17 high. Let me actually pull this up, the 20-day chart, and show you guys 1705 was the high from the 16th of June. It looks like it hit that in the pre-market. Let me put that alert, or my alert, right there right now. There we go. Mark is at or above 1705 on PLTR. There we go. And have you guys subscribed to the channel yet? Did you know it's free of charge to do that? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well, and you might as well hit that like button. I appreciate you guys as always. All of those help out the channel, and again, they're completely free. All you have to do is boom, hit a button. That's how easy it is to do that. I appreciate you guys as always, and that's if you like the content. If you don't like the content, hey, make sure to hit that dislike button. Make sure to unsubscribe and do all that. But if you like the content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. I appreciate you guys as always. So let's break down some stocks quickly other than Palantir here that did very well today. Look at this Beyond Meat today, guys. What's going on with Beyond Meat? Of course, there's they have a very high short interest. You all know that. At least you might. I think you know that. Maybe you might know it. I don't know. But we've covered it on the channel. Their short interest is unbelievable. It's like 50% or 40%, something just ridiculous. I mean, you thought 15% was a lot. No. Look at Beyond Meat, guys. They have way more than that. I mean, it's just insane. This stock was at 11 bucks back in the end of June. Now it's at what, 17.60. Earlier in the day, it was over 18 bucks per share. On the day, it went up 13.5%. So I've always said I would never, ever buy this stock for the long term, and I'm still sticking to that, and there's no way I'm ever going to change my mind on that unless something crazy happens, which I doubt with Beyond Meat. I'm not a big fan of, investing in vegan, the vegan space. Not that I don't like vegans. I have nothing against vegans. Actually, I did go vegan for a month one time, and I tried it out. And I'm not going to lie, I'm, eating meat again. I love meat. There's no way I'm ever going to be a vegan. But I like the vegans out there, but I'm not going to be investing in Beyond Meat. There's just no freaking way. The financials of the company, which we're not going to get into right now, are just freaking abysmal. I don't even want to get into it. I'm going to have a heart attack if I get into it, guys. But look, Beyond Meat, the chart as a trade, hey, I would definitely consider it. Maybe not now. It's run up too much. Actually, we did call this breakout out, and I freaking missed it, of course. I mean, we talk about so many stocks here on the channel. It's impossible to trade all of them, and keep your eyes on all of them. But this one did break above 15, and it squeezed up to what, 17, 18 bucks now. So if it pulls back a little bit, maybe I'd consider it. They have earnings coming up in August, it looks like, which that's going to be big for this company on August 3rd. So that's, in about 3 weeks. So we're going to be watching this. Maybe I'll cover it, leading more towards the earnings. But yeah, that's Beyond Meat. Let's see what else, guys, quickly here. AG did very well. First Majestic Silver up 9%. It looks like this one's slowly starting to reverse, which makes sense. I mean, silver went up 5% today, so the silver stocks did pretty well. Mining stocks, I don't know if mining stocks in general did well. Did the gold miners do well? Probably today. GDX up 5%. Wow, look at that. GDXJ up 5.6 as well. Pretty big move there for the miners. That actually looks pretty interesting. Might have to cover them in an upcoming video. The mining ETFs are looking like they're starting to reverse. Look at that, guys. We're breaking out here on the 4-hour. I'm glad I actually brought these up. Nobody really talks about them in the YouTube finance sphere, and why would they? This stuff's boring. Nobody really likes junior miners or, senior mining companies, right? Nobody really gives a crap. But you could make money on these. I've made money on them in the past. One in particular stock that I bought, that's a gold stock that I don't own it anymore, but I made some good money on it. It was Barrick Gold. GOLD is the ticker. We bought this one Sheesh, I don't even remember at this point. Probably like 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago. Sold out of it, made a nice profit. And now it's at what, $17? Looks like that's starting to break out. So keep your eyes on these gold stocks, guys. Might make a video on the gold stocks. It's been a while, but with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and do not forget to get your free money for Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, this is the best promo right now by far. Just use that link down below or go to stasserfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, each up to $2,000, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys, the best part of the promo: fund your account with at least $5,000. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed on top of those 15 stocks, guys, which that part of the promo, you have 4 more days to get the free share of either Tesla or Google. So use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you later.